The question is, you have a hybrid infrastructure that contains an Azure Active Directory tenant named contoso.onmicrosoft.com. The tenant contains the users shown in the following table. Please have a look on this table. You plan to share a cloud resource to the all users group. You need to ensure that user 1, user 2, user 3 and user 4 can connect successfully to the cloud space. What should you do first? Option A, create a user account of the member type for user 4. Option B, create a user account of the member type for user 3. Option C, modify the directory wide group setting. Option D, modify the external collaboration setting. The correct answer is option C. You have an Azure subscription that contains the following users in an Azure Active Directory tenant named contoso.onmicrosoft.com. Please have a look on this table. User 1 creates a new Azure Active Directory tenant named external.contoso.onmicrosoft.com. You need to create new user accounts in external.contoso.onmicrosoft.com. Solution: you instruct user 2 to create the user account. Does this meet the goal? Option A yes, option B no. The correct answer is option A. Have a look on this table. User 1 creates the new Azure Active Directory tenant named external.contoso.onmicrosoft.com. You need to create new user account in external.contoso.onmicrosoft.com. Solution: you instruct user 3 to create the new user account. Does this meet the goal? Option A yes, option B no. The correct answer is option B. Looking at this table, there is a question that user 1 creates a new Azure Active Directory tenant named external.contoso.onmicrosoft.com. You need to create new user account in external.contoso.onmicrosoft.com. Solution: you instruct user 1 to create the user account. Does this meet the goal? Option A yes, option B no. The correct answer is option A. Moving to the next question. Your on-premises network contains an Active Directory domain named adatum.com that is synced to Azure Active Directory. Password write back is disabled. In adatum.com, you create the users shown in the following table. Which users must sign in from a computer joined to adatum.com? These are the given options and the correct answer is option E, that is user 1 only. You have an Azure virtual machine shown in the following table. Have a look. A DNS services is installed on VM1. You configure the DNS server settings for each virtual network as shown in the exhibit. You need to ensure that all virtual machines can resolve DNS names by using the DNS service on VM1. What should you do? Option A, configure a conditional forwarder on VM1. Option B, add service endpoint on VNet1. Option C, add service endpoint on VNet2 and VNet3. Option D, configure peering between VNet1, VNet2 and VNet3. The correct option is option D. You have an Azure virtual machine named VM1. The network interface for VM1 is configured as shown in the exhibit. You deploy a web server on VM1 and then create a secure website that is accessible by using the HTTPS protocol, VM1 is used as a web server only. You need to ensure that the users can connect to the website from the internet. What should you do? Option A, change the priority of rule 3 to rule 450. Option B, change the priority of rule 6 to 100. Option C, delete rule 1. Option D, create a new inbound rule that allows TCP portal 443 to configure the portal to have a priority of 501. Option E, for rule 5, change the action to allow the change the priority to 401. The correct answer is option E. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention that in the comment. Our team will value those. Thank you.